Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Exodus for rose plants. Exodus is a beneficial treatment designed to enhance the health and vitality of your roses. It works by providing essential protection against common issues, ensuring your plants can thrive. We'll cover everything from preparation to application, helping you achieve beautiful, resilient roses. Get ready to learn the simple steps to integrate Exodus into your rose care routine effectively. Now, let's prepare and apply Exodus. First, carefully measure 1 tablespoon of Exodus concentrate and mix it thoroughly with 1 gallon of water in a clean sprayer. Ensure the solution is well combined. Then, spray your rose plants, making sure to cover both the top and underside of the leaves until they are visibly wet but not dripping excessively. Always wear gloves and eye protection during application. Timing is crucial for Exodus to be most effective. For optimal results, apply Exodus every 2 to 3 weeks throughout the active growing season, typically from spring through fall. If there's significant rainfall, consider reapplying sooner to ensure continuous protection. Always check your plants regularly for any signs of stress or issues, adjusting your schedule as needed to keep your roses healthy and strong. After applying Exodus, continue to monitor your rose plants for positive changes, such as healthier foliage and fewer signs of damage. Remember to store any remaining product safely, out of reach of children and pets. For best practices, avoid applying Exodus during the hottest part of the day or when roses are in full bloom to minimize impact on beneficial insects. Consistent use will lead to more robust and beautiful roses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.